Health Minister has been forced to clarify his much criticised no sex education remark. Dr. Harshvardhan has denied advocating a ban on sex education in schools. In fact, he now says he's only opposed to vulgarity in sex education. Sahil Menghani with the big story.
Whenever we come to know about these patient lying in the hospital with HIV virus.
A new health minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, finds these chapters on sex education a bit uneasy. In a blog written just a few months back, he questioned the manner of sex education being taught in schools. He said, and I quote, "Value education will be integrated with course content as per order of Honorable Supreme Court in 2002. So-called sex education to be banned, yoga to be made compulsory." The blog now being recirculated has landed Harshvardhan in a spot.
Nothing should be banned. A ban is a restriction, is a limitation. You ban anything from anybody and people are ready to violate it.
Well, it's such a disgrace that a union minister has passed such a comment.
There are so many cases of rapes and other things. So I can discuss it with my parents openly if it is taught in school.
The issue being raked up just a day after Narendra Modi completed 1 month in power was quickly lashed onto by the Congress.
अगर भारत के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री इस तरह के ख्याल रखते हैं तो ये तो बिल्कुल माध्यमिक ख्याल योग के ख्याल हैं.
Faced with all-round criticism, Harshvardhan issued a clarification. He said, and I quote, "Crudity and graphic representation of culturally objectionable symbols as manifested in the UPA's so-called sex education program cannot be called sex education. Every education system must strive to have an ideal curriculum, and to that extent, my stand is valid." After his statement on usage of condoms, Dr. Harshvardhan has stoked another controversy, facing criticism not just from the schools but also from students and their parents, who are disappointed that such a statement has come from none other than the health minister himself, who also happens to be a doctor. With Vijay Deepak Kumar in New Delhi, this is Sahil Murli Meghani.